We had completed till question number 500. Now we will start from question number 501. Let's begin. Question number 501. The earliest evidence of agriculture in the Indian subcontinent has been found at A. Harappa, B. Margar, C. Lodhal, D. Calibangan. Answer is B. Megar. Question number 502. The Harappan city known as Manchester of Indus Valley is A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Harappa, C. Chandudaro, D. Lohal. Answer is C. Chandudaro. Question number 503. Which Harappan site is called Manchester of India for cotton textile? A. Lohal, B. Harappa, C. Kalibangan, D. Mohenjo-daro. Answer is A. Lohal. Question number 504. The Great Bath is located at A. Harappa, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Lohal, D. Kalibangan. Answer is B. Mohenjo-daro. Question number 505. The largest Harappan site in India is A. Rakhigari, B. Dolavira, C. Kalibangan, D. Lohal. Answer is A. Rakhigari. Question number 506. The first evidence of log field in Harappan culture was found at A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Kalibangan, C. Harappa, D. Lohal. Answer is B. Kalibangan. Question number 507. The Harappa site known for dockyard is A. Lohal, B. Mohenjo-daro, C. Harappa, D. Roper. Answer is A. Lohal. Question number 508. The script of Harappan civilization was A. Pictographic, B. Alphabetic, C. Hieroglyphic, D. Devanagari. Answer is A. Pictographic. Question number 509. Rig Veda consists of how many hymns? A. 1000, B. 1028, C. 1100, D. 1200. Answer is B. 1028. Question number 510. The Gayatri Mantra is addressed to which Vedic deity? A. Indra, B. Varuna, C. Savitri, D. Agni. Answer is C. Savitri. Question number 511. The Upanishads are primarily books on A. Rituals, B. Philosophy, C. Medicine, D. History. Answer is B. Philosophy. Question number 512. Who is considered the father of Sanskrit grammar? A. Valmiki, B. Panini, C. Patanjali, D. Panchashi. Answer is B. Panini. Question number 513. The founder of Maurya dynasty was A. Ashoka, B. Bimbisara, C. Chandragupta Maurya, D. Bindusar. Answer C. Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 514. Who assisted Chandragupta Maurya in his rise to power? A. Chanakya, B. Bhadrabahu, C. Katyana, D. Vishnugupta. Answer is A. Chanakya. Question number 515. The book Arthashastra was written by A. Panini, B. Chanakya, C. Kautilya, D. Vishnugupta. Answer is C. Kautilya. Question number 516. Ashoka fought the Kalinga War in A. 250, B. 261, C. 270, D. 300. Answer is B, 261. The Kalinga War was fought on the banks of which river? A. Ganga. B. Daya. C. Mahanadi. D. Godavari. Answer is B. Daya. The last Maurya ruler was A. Ashoka. B. Brihadratha. C. Dashratha. D. Samprati. Answer is B. Brihadratha. Question number 519. The founder of Gupta dynasty was A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta. C. Shrigupta. D. Chandragupta. Answer C. Shrigupta. Question number 520. Which Gupta ruler is called Napoleon of India? A. Samudragupta. B. Chandragupta. C. Chandragupta. D. Chandragupta. Answer is A. Samudragupta. The Allahabad pillar inscription is associated with A. Samudragupta. B. Ashoka. C. Harshavardhana. D. Chandragupta. Answer is A. Samudragupta. Question number 522. The Chinese traveler Fa Hien visited India during whose reign? A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta. C. Chandragupta. D. No. Answer is Chandragupta 2. Question number 523. Kalidasa was in the court of A. Ashoka. B. Chandragupta. C. Samudragupta. D. Harshavardhana. Answer is B. Chandragupta 2. Question number 524. Who wrote Meghadatta? A. Kalidasa. B. Bhasa. C. Sudraka. D. Bhabudi. Answer is A. Kalidasa. Question number 525. Harshavardhana's capital was A. Prayag. B. Kaneshwar. C. Kannauj. D. Patliputra. Answer C. Kannauj. Question number 526. The Chinese traveler Hien Taisung visited India during the reign of A. Ashoka. B. Harshavardhana. C. Chandragupta. D. Chandragupta. Answer is B. Harshavardhana. Question number 527. The Harshakarita was written by A. Kalidasa. B. Banabhatta. C. Dandin. D. Sudraka. Answer is B. Banabhatta. Question 528. The Chola dynasty is associated with A. Bengal. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Gujarat. D. Karnataka. Answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Question 529. The famous bronze Nataraja image belongs to which dynasty? A. Maurya. B. Gupta. C. Chola. D. Pallava. C. Answer C. Chola. Question number 530. Who was the founder of the Delhi Sultanate? A. Iltutmish. B. Balban. C. Qutbuddin Aibak. D. Alauddin Khilji. C. Answer C. Qutbuddin Aibak. Question 531. The Qutub Minar was completed by A. Aibak. B. Iltutmish. C. Alauddin Khilji. D. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Answer is B. Iltutmish. Question number 532. Who introduced the market control system? A. Balban. B. Alauddin Khilji. C. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. D. Balol Lodi. Answer is B. Alauddin Khilji. Question number 533. Who introduced token currency? A. Iltutmish. B. Balban. C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. D. Alauddin Khilji. Answer is C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Question 534. The founder of Mughal Empire was A. Humayun. B. Babur. C. Akbar. D. Timur. Answer is B. Babur. Question 535. Babur defeated Abraham Lodi in which battle? A. First Battle of Panipat 1526. B. Khanwa. C. Gagra. D. Chanderi. Answer is A. First Battle of Panipat 1526. Question number 536. The Battle of Khanwa 1527 was fought between Babur and A. Rana Sanga. B. Himu. C. Shesha. D. Humayun. Answer is A. Rana Sanga. 537. Humayun was defeated at the Battle of Chausa 1539 by A. Shesha Suri. B. Babur. C. Himu. D. Akbar. Answer is A. Shesha Suri. Question 538. Who was the founder of Sur dynasty? A. Shesha Suri. B. Himu. C. Adil Shah. D. Sikandar Suri. Answer is A. Shesha Suri. Question 539. Who introduced the currency rupiah? A. Akbar. B. Shesha Suri. C. Babur. D. Humayun. Answer is B. Shesha Suri. Question number 540. The Battle of Haldi Ghati 1576 was fought between Akbar and A. Rana Pratap. B. Rana Sanga. C. Shesha. D. Himu. Answer is A. Rana Pratap. Question number 541. Akbar policy of Sul I Kul mean A. Religious intolerance. B. Universal peace and tolerance. C. Military conquest. D. Trade monopoly. Answer is B. Universal peace and tolerance. Question number 542. Dinai Elahi was introduced by A. Babur. B. Akbar. C. Jahangir. D. Aurangzeb. Answer is B. Akbar. Question number 543. The first English factory in India was set up at A. Surat. B. Bombay. C. Calcutta. D. Masulipatam. Answer is A. Surat. Question 544. The Battle of Plassey 1757 was fought between A. Clive and Siraj ud Dowlah. B. Clive and Mir Qasim. C. Hastings and Tipu. D. Cornwallis and Hyder. Answer is A. Clive and Siraj ud Dowlah. Question number 545. The Battle of Buxar 1764 was fought between British and A. Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Dowlah and Shah Alam. 2. B. Siraj ud Dowlah. C. Hyder Ali. D. Tipu Sultan. Answer is A. Mir Qasim, Shuja ud Dowlah and Shah Alam. Question number 546. Who was the first Governor General of Bengal? A. Warren Hastings. B. Clive. C. Cornwallis. D. Wellesley. Answer is A. Warren Hastings. Question number 547. The Regulating Act was passed in A. 1770. B. 1773. C. 1784. D. 1793. Answer is B. 1773. Question number 548. The Pitt's India Act was passed in A. 1773. B. 1784. C. 1793. D. 1800. Answer is B. 1784. Question number 549. The permanent settlement of Bengal was introduced by A. Hastings. B. Cornwallis. C. Wellesley. D. Bentinck. C. Answer is B. Cornwallis. Question number 550. The Rotwari system was introduced by A. Cornwallis, B. Monroe, and Reed C. Hastings. D. Bentinck. Answers B. Monroe and Reed. Question number 551. The revolt of 1857 began from A. Lucknow, B. Meerut, C. Kanpur, D. Jhansi, B. Meerut. Question number 552. The immediate cause of 1857 revolt was A. Doctrine of lapse, B. Cartage greased with cow and pig fat, C. Annexation of Awadh, D. Land revenue policy. Answer is B. Cartridge greased with cow and pig fat. Question number 553. Who was the leader of revolt of 1857 in Delhi? A. Bahadur Shah, B. Nana Sahib, C. Tantika Top, D. Kunwar Singh. Answer is A. Bahadur Shah. Question number 554. Who led the revolt in Kanpur? A. Nana Sahib, B. Tantia Top, C. Azimullah Khan, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Question number 555. The leader of revolt in Jhansi was A. Rani Lakshmi Bai, B. Kunwar Singh, C. Begum Hazrat Mahal, D. Nana Sahib. Answer is A. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Question number 556. The revolt in Lucknow was led by A. Rani Lakshmi Bai, B. Begum Hazrat Mahal, C. Tantia Top, D. Kunwar Singh. Answer is B. Begum Hazrat Mahal. Question number 557. Who was the leader of revolt in Bihar? A. Kunwar Singh, B. Rani Lakshmi Bai, C. Nana Sahib, D. Azimullah. Answer is A. Kunwar Singh. Question number 558. The revolt of 1857 is described as the first war of independence by A. Savarkar, B. Nehru, C. Gandhi, D. Lajpat Rai. Answer is A. Savarkar. Question number 559. Who was the Governor General of India during 1857 revolt? A. Dalhousie, B. Canning, C. Ripon, D. Bentinck. Answer is B. Canning. Question 560. Who said the revolt of 1857 was a sepoy mutiny? A. Nehru, B. British historian, C. Savarkar, D. Lajpat Rai. Answer is B. British historians. Question number 561. The Indian Council Act of 1861 introduced A. Portfolio system, B. Hierarchy, C. Separate electorates, D. Provincial autonomy. Answer is A. Portfolio system. The Indian National Congress was founded in A. 1883, B. 1884, C. 1885, D. 1886. Answer is C. 1885. Question number 563. Who was the founder of Inc? A. A.O. Hume, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. W.C. Banerjee, D. Tilak. Answer is A. A.O. Hume. Question number 564. The first session of Inc. was held at A. Calcutta, B. Bombay, C. Madras, D. Allahabad, D. Answer is B. Bombay. Question 565. Who presided over the first session of Inc? A. W.C. Banerjee, B. Dadabhai Naoroji, C. Surendranath Banerjee, D. Firoz Shah Mehta. Answer is A. W.C. Banerjee. Question number 566. The first Muslim president of Inc. was A. Badruddin Tayabji B. Ramotala Sayani C. Jinnah D. Maulana Azad. Answers A. Badruddin Tayabji. Question number 567. The author of book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India was A. Dadabhai Naoroji B. Gokhale C. Tilak D. Surendranath Banerjee. Answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 568. Who gave the theory of drain of wealth? A. Tilak B. Dadabhai Naoroji C. Ranade D. Gokhale B. Answer is B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 569. Who founded the Indian Association? A. Surendranath Banerjee B. Tilak C. Ranade D. Tagore. Answers A. Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 570. Who was known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji B. Tilak C. Ranade D. Tagore. Answers A. Dadabhai Naoroji. 571. The partition of Bengal was done in A. 1900 B. 1905 C. 1907 D. 1909. Answer is B. 1905. Question 572. The partition of Bengal was annulled in A. 1910 B. 1911 C. 1912 D. 1915. Answer is B. 1911. Question 573. Who gave the slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A. Tilak B. Gokhale C. Nehru D. Patel. Answer is A. Tilak. Question number 574. The Home Rule movement in India was started by A. Tilak and Annie Besant. B. Nehru. C. Bose. D. Lajpat Rai. Answer is A. Tilak and Annie Besant. Question number 575. The Montague Chelmsford reforms came in A. 1917 B. 1918 C. 1919 D. 1920. Answer is C. 1919. Question number 576. The Government of India Act 1919 introduced A. Diarchy B. Portfolio system C. Separate electorates D. Provisional autonomy. Answer is A. Diarchy. Question number 577. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in A. 1917 B. 1918 C. 1919 D. 1920. Answer is C. 1919. Question number 578. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in which city? A. Delhi B. Lahore C. Amritsar D. Kanpur. Answer C. Amritsar. Question number 579. Who was the Governor General during Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Hardinge B. Irwin C. Chelmsford D. Canning. Answer C. Chelmsford. Question number 580. Who was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre? A. Dyer B. Irwin C. Chelmsford D. Canning. Answer is A. Dyer. Question 581. The non-cooperation movement was launched in A. 1919 B. 1920 C. 1921 D. 1922. Answer is B. 1920. Question 582. The non-cooperation movement was withdrawn due to A. Jallianwala massacre B. Chauri Chaura incident C. Simon Commission D. Rowlatt Act. Answer is B. Chauri Chaura incident. Question number 583. The Chauri Chaura incident occurred in A. 1921, B. 1922, C. 1923, D. 1924. Answer is B. 1922. Question number 584. The Simon Commission came to India in A. 1927, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1930. Answer is A. 1927. Question number 585. The Simon Commission was opposed because A. No Indian member, B. British bias, C. Delay in reforms, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Question number 586. Slogan Simon Go Back was given by A. Lajpat Rai, B. Tilak, C. Nehru, D. Gandhi. Answer is A. Lajpat Rai. Question number 587. The Nehru Report was prepared in A. 1927, B. 1928, C. 1929, D. 1930. Answer is B. 1928. Question number 588. Third session of INC 1929 declared A. Dominion status, B. Purna Swaraj, C. Separate electorate, D. Provincial autonomy, B. Purna Swaraj. Answer is B. Purna Swaraj. Question number 589. The civil disobedience movement was launched in A. 1929, B. 1930, C. 1931, D. 1932. Answer is B. 1930. Question number 590. The Salt March began from A. Ahmedabad, B. Sabarmati Ashram, C. Bombay, D. Surat. Answer is B. Sabarmati Ashram. Question number 591. Gandhi's Salt March ended at A. Dandi, B. Bardoli, C. Surat, D. Porbandar. Answer is A. Dandi. Question number 592. The Salt March, Dandi March, covered a distance of A. 200 miles, B. 240 miles, C. 260 miles, D. 300 miles. Answer is B. Answer is B. 240 miles. Question number 593. The first round table conference was held in A. 1929, B. 1930, C. 1931, D. 1932. Answer is B. 1930. Question number 594. The only Indian delegate in first round table conference was A. Nehru, B. Gandhi, C. Ambedkar, D. Tej Bahadur Sapru, D. Answer is D. Tej Bahadur Sapru. Question number 595. Gandhi attended which round table conference? First, B. Second, C. Third, D. All. Answer is B. Second. Number 596. Pune Pact 1932 was signed between A. Gandhi and Ambedkar, B. Nehru and Jinnah, C. Gandhi and Bose, D. Patel and Jinnah, C. Gandhi and Bose, D. Patel and Jinnah. Answer is A. Gandhi and Ambedkar. Question 597. The Quit India movement was launched in A. 1940, B. 1941, C. 1942, D. 1943, C. 1942. Answer is C. 1942. Question 598. The Quit India movement was started after which mission failed? A. Cripps mission, B. Cabinet mission, C. Verbal plan, D. Simon Commission. Answer is A. Cripps mission. Question number 599. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? A. Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Patel. D. Bose. Answer is A. Gandhi. Question number 600. The cabinet mission came to India in A. 1945. B. 1946. C. 1947. D. 1948. Answer is B. 1946. Completed till question number 600. In the next video, we will cover from question number 601. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I catch you in the next one. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with your friends so that more people can learn. Okay, then bye.